G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. Thank you for joining us. Today we're making the Rosé Bouquet. So let's get started. What you're going to need for today, you need some gin, you need some rosé, some Lillet Blanc, and you're going to need some grapefruit juice. We're serving it in a wine glass today, a jigger, a Barspoon, and to garnish we're going to have some rosemary and fresh grapefruit. And just have some ice handy and you're good to go. All right, let's do it. So first thing you need to do, we'll grab your wine glass, get your jigger, and we're going to pour 45 mils of your gin of choice directly into the glass. Then we're going to grab the rosé. So we've got 90 mils of rosé. $20 mils of Lillet Blanc, and 90 mils of the grapefruit juice. Alrighty, now we're going to load up with some ice. Oh, she's spilling everywhere, but that's okay, we can look after that. And to garnish, some fresh grapefruit just down the side. And grab a straw, fresh rosemary, just down the side here. And there you have the Rosé Bouquet. Enjoy.